AlphaJump, Transformative program for high school personal finance. Personal Finance Plus provides a complete financial literacy course for high school students to master critical money skills for life. The interactive course covers topics like credit, understand credit reports and scores, build credit responsibly, avoid debt traps. With Personal Finance Plus, high school students will gain real confidence to manage their money wisely and jumpstart future financial success. AlphaJump offers a standalone course or complete curriculum for teachers and school districts. Join the thousands of parents and teachers empowering teens with money skills. Start with Personal Finance Plus today. Click here to enroll your teen in the self-paced online course and pay just $29, regularly $99. Your teen's financial future starts today. Get Personal Finance Plus now and equip them with the money skills they need to budget, save, invest, and spend wisely. Thanks for watching.